Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up the Linksys WiFi Wi-Fi router. Whether you're setting up a new network or upgrading your existing one, this guide will help you get your router up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First, let's unbox your Linksys WiFi router. Inside the box, you should find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Make sure you have everything you need before proceeding. Now, connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a power outlet. You should see the LED lights on the front of the router start to blink, indicating that it's powering up. Next, take the Ethernet cable provided and connect one end to the WAN port on the back of the router. Then, connect the other end to your modem. This connection will allow the router to access the internet. To complete the setup, download the Linksys app from the App Store or Google Play Store. The app will guide you through the rest of the setup process. Once the app is installed, launch it and either create a new Linksys account or log in to your existing one. Follow the detailed on-screen instructions to seamlessly connect to your router. The app will prompt you to enter a name for your network and create a Wi-Fi password. Ensure you select a strong, unique password to enhance the security of your wireless network. The app will prompt you to enter a name for your network and create a Wi-Fi password. Ensure you select a strong, unique password to enhance the security of your wireless network. For advanced users, you can further customize your network settings within the Linksys app, such as setting up a guest network, parental controls, or prioritizing devices for optimal performance. If you run into any issues or need help, our expert team is ready to assist you. You can reach them at 323-471-3045 for support. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. And that's it. Your Linksys WiFi Wi-Fi router is now set up and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.